Just 10 metres out. Losing it again. Now the Fijians in control. Conran Duendor. Salu. Damu. 15 out from the 22. Damu was there. Salu. Whistle's gone. 6 or 7 metres. The kick from Blanco. Across into centre field. Damu waits. Lajiskay onto him. Damu took it well. Bouncing clear. Nawalu the halfback. How did he get back there? Oh, beautiful pass. Left wing three-quarter, Tom Mitchell. Will he go all the way? Ngoro, what a try! Likes to run. Supporters there from the hooker, Rakai. Away they go again. Mitchell on the left wing side again. There's plenty of support in Ngoro, but they're in touch. Rakai, that's the 10-metre line in French territory, just to the left, taken in by Naituku. Samasi Dhama and Kumbu through the gap. Can he run in? Damu. Kumbu to Damu.